Hey, good people. There he is, as usual. Roy Jackson. Glad you're here. We're heading out to our spot on the Arlington Lake. And we're hopeful. So we'll see you soon.
Hey, everybody. I wasn't for this catfish. Hit a whole perch, but he should have did it. Captain got a nice one right off the muffle. Nice cat. Yes.
Went ahead and tried to swallow that perch.
And you still got the perch.
But no, he hit the skipjack.
Oh, a jack, yeah, whole jack.
Yeah.
Nice jack. Look at that, y'all. First catch. Nah, a lot of meat. There's a lot of meat, y'all. Look at that. We'll be back. I almost got another jumper cat here. Yeah, muscle.
Rascal here.
I'd eat all of it again. What's that, cut bait?
Trying to get on that skipjack bait.
Look at that, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that size,
Catching
y'all.
them black cats today, y'all.
Yeah, we'll take them. We'll accept them.
Yeah.
We'll be back. I'm going to put a drum here.
Yeah.
Nice drum. We're going to throw him back.
Yep. Nice catch, though, y'all.
Yeah, good catch. I mean, we're going to get good footage with that.
This is Reggie's first, y'all. We thinking it's a catfish. They've been hitting here this morning. That's catfish. Definitely a cat. That's his first right there. It's not what we catching last week, but we're gonna be patient. All right.
We're hoping it's one of these little fatty catties. We like those kitties.
Oh, wait, no.
He's out there. Yeah. No. That's the kitty. Yeah, what we after? That's what we after, y'all.
Yes, sir.
That's what we after. Yeah, what we after. A little big head. Yeah, look at that, y'all.
That's
how we
what
got
I'm looking for, y'all.
Yeah.
Sure, not too close up. You getting a good picture of it?
You and the catfish. We want all that.
Alrighty. We'll be back.
Get back in a minute. There goes the captain again. Bringing something to the boat. My line tried to act the fool. Let another kitty. Yeah, we're going to little pan sizes. They go messing them. We're going to have a mess of them. What's that there?
Skillet fried.
We'll be back, y'all. Okay, there we go.
Got him out of there.
Yeah, he's way out there, too. Looks like now.
He's pulling like
well, hold on. I got my line's going crazy. Yeah, Captain got one right here in my line. Oh, yeah. Hold on, let's get the net, man. Don't play.
Yeah, we ain't even taking no chance.
No, we play.
No chance.
Come on.
No chance.
You gotta take this time, right?
Look at the meat on that fish. Huh?
How about that, y'all?
That's a nice one there.
I slapped him. I slapped at him.
Almost got me. We'll be back, y'all.
Hey, y'all, Captain started putting them in here. Kitty out the cat. He started bringing them in. Got him on that cut bait?
On that cut bait, y'all.
On the head of the fish cut bait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, look at that.
Too.
What are you talking about right there? Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice. They getting better.
We'll be back.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You come right on there too.
It's got another little cat, I believe. How it's trying to fight a little bit there.
Come on, man.
Look at that. He's not. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look like a bad one. He got a little length to him. Yes, sir. And he got off just in time. Just as we was thinking net.
You know where to get at it.
We was just thinking net, and he got off. All right. Reggie, I saw one just moving like he was trying to take it from us, y'all.
Okay, that's your line across.
Is it?
Yeah, across about 2 or 3 your line.
We'll be back, y'all.
Look there, y'all. Captain brought some of that little black cat there.
Another little black cat.
We'll take it. Take that. Be back. Ladies and gents, Cap's got something else online here. Let's ride with him here a little bit, because he was kind of out there. Do we have to take chances? Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. Look at that, y'all. We are the catfishing is just for the record, so y'all know.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's all right.
He's fighting away.
It'll be over soon.
He's going to get in there with the rest of them.
It'll be over real soon.
Yeah, y'all, we put him in there today.
Right there, y'all.
How about that?
Yes.
Hey, y'all, Captain got something there. What you got there, Captain? Another kitty?
Skillet fry.
Hey, look at that. Little Captain got y'all. We're going to have that on the inside. It's not bad fish. It's all right. We're good with it. We'll be back.